Good morning. It's the 9th. It is drawing day for all my subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you that participated in the drawing and getting me off on a good start for my video channel on YouTube. I do appreciate each and every one of you. What I've done, another DIY bottle. See, everybody this is in there. I've got all 11 subscribers in there. See, they're all in there. And I'm shaking them. They're all the same size. So there's no, see, I don't want to reveal all the people because for privacy reasons. But see, they're all the same size. And they're all in here. We're going to shake them up. Good luck to all of you. So here we go. Let's see who this winner is going to be. Oops, wait a minute. Start again because I have not picked up too many. Make sure I only have one. I don't want to cheat. Anybody that knows me knows I'm very much into being fair. Okay, we have one. So who is that? Lori Mack. You are the winner. Congratulations. And again, thank everybody. I wish I could have had something for everyone. There will be another drawing later on. So let me show you what you win. This DIY frame that matches my numbers for the video that y'all saw, the table numbers. I have one of those. See, it's all bling bling. It's got kiss lips on there. It says tester. That's the first thing. And then I have this bling candle holder that I made. It's just with a little votive candle, one of those instant ones. Let's see if I get turned on here. There we go. The little rose on another DIY for me. These are match set that way. Also, I'll be sending a thank you card with my business name on there. I do appreciate you. I also have these cute little memo pads that are matchbook style. Whoops, sorry. They open up just like a little matchbox for little note papers, for little notepads with my business name on there also. That'll be in the box. And a couple of my new business cards for my new style. I love these new bling bling covers. They match my new website, which is on the back. Yes, I have now officially have my new website going. It's at partygirl.com. Y'all want to check that out. It's very cool. I'm very proud of it. Most of you know that it took me a long time. I went with one company and it took forever. This one was a much better company to do it with. I really like it. I hope y'all check that out again at party.com. And again, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please keep watching my videos. I will have a lot more in the future. And thank y'all so much. You are very much appreciated. Have a great day.